Understanding the technical specifications of the DDS02.2. The maximum installation elevation is 1,000 meters. The operational temperature range is 0 to 45 degrees Celsius. The protection rating of this product is IP20. The rated current is 200 amps. This DDS cools via air from outside the control cabinet. This DDS has an analog interface. The maximum permissible relative humidity is 95%. The maximum permissible absolute humidity is 25 G/M3. The DC bus voltage is 300 volts, plus or minus 15%. This product is manufactured by Bosch Rexroth Indramat. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all DDS sales and replacements.